Now, you must be wondering how to know which one of the approaches is more suitable for your business. Should you opt for paid advertising or content marketing, or perhaps for both? If you choose to go with both, how to decide which one to start with first? And I'm sure as a business owner, or even as an individual or a freelancer, you need to keep your budget in mind for anything that you plan to do. So let's go over the pros and cons of each one of them. Paid advertising generally gives faster results, as you'll be paying to the giant platforms like Facebook or Google to get the targeted results that you want. Content marketing takes longer to show results, as you need to prepare each piece of content before publishing it and figure out venues to put out your content for the relevant audience to view. This is something we'll discuss in more detail in the following modules. Paid advertising may give a good boost to your brand in the start, but in order to maintain the kind of results that you want for steady growth, you would need to keep pumping in tons of money in the longer run to maintain the flow. In content marketing, on the other hand, investment is minimum from the start, and the need for investment further reduces as you grow your content network.